Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how many of you are ready to give the presentation? Who is ready?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, one and what about the other students? Okay, Carly, you are ready to give the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your enrollment number?
29, ma'am.
90?
29, 29.
29. Okay, 29. Okay.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
मैम कॉपी पे लिखने से नहीं होगा क्या?
होगा होगा कॉपी पे लिखने से भी होगा. Okay.
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carly Game, and I'm going to give a presentation on determining volume of a sphere using Vernier Calipers.
Okay.
The aim of this experiment is to determine the volume of a sphere by using a Vernier Caliper. The apparatus which is required are Vernier caliper and a spherical body. It can be a pendulum bow or a glass marble. This is a diagram of a Vernier caliper.
Okay.
So the theory is a Vernier caliper has two scales, one main scale and a Vernier scale, which slides along the main scale. The main scale and Vernier scale are divided into small divisions, though of different magnitudes. The main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. It has two fixed jaws, projected at right angles to the scale. The sliding Vernier scale has two jaws projecting at right angles to it, and also the main scale and a metallic strip. The zero of main scale and Vernier scale coincide when the jaws are made to touch each other. The jaws and metallic strip are designed to measure the distance or diameter of an object. A knob is used to slide the Vernier scale. A screw is used to fix the Vernier scale at a desired position. The least count of Vernier caliper is the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions on the Vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude of one main scale and one Vernier scale division is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using the instrument. This is the formula. After we determine the radius of the object, we can use this formula to determine the volume. Thank you.
Okay, can you tell me something about the procedure?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you explain me? No,
The object is
so you okay,
placed
explain.
inside.
Yes, yes. Then
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, continue.
Uh, First, we need to place an object between the jaw A and B here, and by using this screw as we remove this scale towards this left side, and when it tightens, we can use this knob to fix the position, and mm, by looking here, we determine the radius, ma'am.
Uh, can you tell
Is
me
that correct,
how
ma'am?
you calculate the main scale and Vernier scale reading?
Mm, how to calculate the main scale and Vernier scale, ma'am?
Yes.
Mm, when these jaws touch each other,
Hmm.
uh, we determine the zero position
Hmm. Hmm. Yes.
of the Vernier scale. Uh,
Yes, see, when we have for main scale, we have to see Vernier scale 0 is touching which point on the main scale, okay? That will be the main scale
yes,
reading.
ma'am.
And for Vernier scale reading, we have to see which line of the Vernier scale is coincide with any line of the main scale. That will be the Vernier scale reading, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, very good, Curly. But one thing, when you are explaining the lines, okay, when you are giving the presentation, you can give that in your own words also. No need to give the presentation line by line as you have written in the PPT.
Oh,
Okay, you can explain in your own words also.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and otherwise the presentation is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
So I'll stop sharing now.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Actually, I appreciate him because only he is ready to give his presentation today, and the other students are not ready. So we should clap for him. He is. The presentation was very good, actually. Okay, anyone else? What was the other? What about the other students? What is your excuse?
No, ma'am, not prepare.
Not prepare. See, Carly gave his presentation today, na, at the first day, because that's why he will get one extra mark because only he is prepared. He will get one extra mark. Okay, chemistry ma'am is telling that she will also take presentation, practical ma'am, Marjana ma'am, for chemistry practical from next week. Okay, students, give your attendance then if you are not prepared. But from next week, I will not take any excuse. Okay. Next class, 20 students have to give their presentations. 20 students from roll number
Ma'am,
one to
from
roll number.
18,
Yes,
ma'am, from 18 is the second sessional exam starting.
from 18 January.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, today English ma'am told ma'am.
From 18 January.
Eight-
Then after, if from 18 January our first sessional examination will start, then from after the examination we will take presentation.
Ma'am, not first, ma'am, second exam, second sessional.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we don't have any information about the second sessional examination. So I'm not sure if the second sessional examinations will be taken from next week. Then we will continue our presentation from the week after the sessional examination. Okay. No. Listen, students. Saturday I have a class now from in your section. Saturday. Oh, but Saturday is holiday. Okay, then thank you for today. Be prepared, all of you be prepared with your presentations. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.